Coffee has been had. I have been showered. I look so red. I look kind of sexy in real life, and this camera dulls it down every fucking time. I dropped it really hard one time, and I'm gonna blame it on that. I think the lens is all distorted. Today is the day of my 22nd birthday party. Can I get a whoop whoop? Whoop whoop. And before anyone starts any vicious rumors, that is my friend, and he does not like vagina. The birthday party nerves are setting in a little bit. You're lying if you don't say you're not scared that you're gonna be Billy No Mates on your birthday, and absolutely not a single soul is gonna turn up. I've had every single nightmare about every single little thing going wrong last night. Touching wood, we're gonna have a really great night. I feel like I always stress myself out like for my birthday parties, but then it's always really worth it. I had a stylist appointment a couple days ago, and I've just got the most incredible outfit, which I'm so excited to show you guys. I posted a TikTok of all the different dress options I tried on, and that's one of my favorite TikToks I've ever posted, and the way everyone was so nice and just excited and enthusiastic in the comments made me really happy. My actual birthday is on a Sunday. I don't know why I'm telling you all this. I feel like I'm over explaining. It is Operation Packing. I am not really too sure what to pack, because obviously like my dresses and stuff are going to be in the dust bags, but my stay at the Ned like is overstaying my birthday, so I actually have not made a single plan for my actual birthday. I mean, I'm not too fussed. My birthdays are usually just like a super chill day. I'm probably just gonna want to relax anyway. I've got all my shoes and stuff in this bag here. This is kind of just going to consist of like makeup and toiletries, and then some pajamas to wear. But I'm also like, do I wear something slightly nice to turn up and check in? Reality of it is I probably will just wear this tracksuit, and I don't have any underwear on. All packed up. Underwear is now on my body. Josh is all packed up. For 4 days. Josh is going skiing for like a whole month, maybe even longer. So the poor boy has got so much to lug around. We're on the way. We're in the Ned. I can never tell if this is like the sort of place I'm allowed to film, but it's super beautiful. Oh my gosh, just brings back so many memories. We're inside. Oh, here we go.
It's fun.
Reveal. Oh my gosh. Okay, hi guys, welcome to my room for the next few days. Our room, sorry. Okay, so
action.
Cool way back. Got a beautiful dressing table. They have these in every single room. They're so sweet. And then we've got our like toilet room, bathroom, room in here. I'm really enjoying that it's separated by 2 rooms. So your smelly KFC poos don't disturb me whilst I'm getting ready. And then
wait, what's the? You didn't see the? Oh, never mind.
Coming through here, it's lovely to see that the lighting is pretty good. There's not a sofa for Josh to sleep on in case I bring home a cheeky boy. So he's going to have to sleep sitting upright.
That's fine. I can do that.
But I'm hoping that's okay. Beautiful big bed. This is a heritage room, and I think that means it's got like some features of the original. I'm not too sure how this differs from a large room, but look at the size of that TV.
Perfect location as well.
Oh, I'm so gassed. So I did it.
Well, I'm gonna have to do a shot. You're gonna have to jump on the bed.
It's not quite. I don't think it's quite. Oh, surprise!
It's a very big bed.
It's huge. They're longer than me, like in width-wise.
I thought we were going to each other.
Don't you feel like you're in a New York film?
Yeah, you're in New York.
Woo! Room service. I got a salmon poke bowl. We got a bucket of ice, Diet Coke, iced latte. Room service fit for a queen. I quite like to brag that I've tried absolutely everything on the Ned's room service menu. If you guys have watched my video where I stayed here before, you'll see that I would literally order every single thing for research purposes every single night, but I have never tried a poke bowl. I don't know, I've just never been in the mood for poke bowl here. More of a mac and cheese, late night pizza, lobster spaghetti kind of gal. So we got some last minute last minute jewellery sent over from my stylist. It's a couple little sneak peek, little bit of a sneak peek up there. This is what I'm wearing. Sparkly!
Oh, I haven't seen the ring. Let's have a look.
Look at that.
Wow.
That is pretty incredible. It's gonna go over something,
Very
this
nice.
ring. And then we've got a bangle as well, I'm pretty sure it was. Should I wear the bangle and the bracelet on the same hand? I think I should.
On?
Ow! Ow! Get it off!
Wait.
Get it off! I'm not putting that back on. That was painful.
I feel like
tiny.
I think you meant to do it more like kind of.
I
It
did!
wouldn't fit for me, but wait, do this. Just do that.
Bruv. Little sneak peek! That is going to be an outfit change during the night because one of the dresses is not too practical to
Which
run
one's the?
around.
This is the
This is going to be
outfit change.
an outfit change dress, and you can't see what it looks like off. So my hair lady's going to be here in like 10 minutes or so. What's this stance you've got?
Don't get me.
Yeah. On.
Oh wow.
Shall I think same thing, same hand. This is my entire outfit. This is definitely my favourite that I tried on. We all collectively agreed. My amazing hair lady did my hair. I'll leave her app on the screen here if you want like hair up when you're around London. She is the best. This sweet clutch, and then this gorgeous feather jacket to tie it all together. Venue. I would do a wide angle, but I literally can't touch the camera. So beautiful. I've been to a birthday party here before and I thought it was super great. I had a really good time, so I was so excited when I managed to get this venue. It's Kettler's in Soho. There's Josh, looking all gorgeous and beautiful.
Oh, I love you. I'm with Kim Kardashian.
Kim Kardashian, wow.
I love her.
Where's the Kanye doll?
Here. Okay, it's too bright, too bright.
It's not really
Yes.
Yeah.
I love it. I think we got a shot.
Harry, why are you there?
Fuck bitches! I've done a really bad job of being a YouTuber tonight. I did such a shit job of vlogging my birthday party. But to be fair, I was having fun in the moment with my friends, and now I look so shiny because it's the end of the night and I'm walking home with Jim's lovely birthday presents that he bought for me. I never even showed you my outfit change. I mean, you guys have seen this before. I've already worn this to a premiere. But I changed into this short
little ostrich feather on the back to go and dance around in. And I had literally the best time ever. I'm really happy, but I'm so drunk and I don't want to vlog anymore because I hate editing myself back when I'm drunk. I look really like my mum. I'm gonna say goodbye via my reflection, and I'm gonna say the biggest thank you to everyone who came to my birthday party. Oh, I had a feather in my mouth. And the biggest thank you to you guys for watching and supporting me over all these years. It's genuinely insane, and I'm incredibly grateful. I hope you all know that. I couldn't do all this cool stuff without all of you. So I'm sending you kisses. Trying to like calculate in my head how I can kiss you through a reflection. Jim got me the Vogue magazine from the month and the year I was born, I'm pretty sure, and 2 gorgeous handmade bikinis to wear in Marbella. I need to get into bed. I love you. Bye.